What's up guys, this is Major from Ada's Dream, and today I'm going to show you how to gold foil the lady candle molds. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys, it's Major from Ada's Dream. We back again, and today I'm going to be showing you something special. I'm going to be showing you guys how to gold foil the lady candle molds. But before we do, please go hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep bringing you guys awesome content. Okay, now, we're going to be working with a pillar. A pillar is what I use to make and mold my lady candles. Now, this is pillar wax right here. As you can see, is not your normal wax. And why do you want to use pillar wax? Pillar wax will keep your candle mold from breaking in half once you demold it out of the casting. You want to use a pillar wax. This is a 450 pillar wax that you could get from the Flaming Candle. The Flaming Candle 450 paraffin pillar wax. And you could get that from where? The Flaming Candle. All right, so right here, we already have our candle wax measured out. For the lady mold, it's 250 grams. It will give me the exact amount I need to pour into my mold. 250 grams of wax. Okay, now before we get to cooking, I want to show you guys the actual mold that we are going to be using. Let me go get that. Okay, this is our lady mold, as you can see here for the camera. This is the mold that I'm going to be using to pour into my wax. And for this actual mold, I only need 250 grams of pillar wax to pour into it. Now that we got that situated and the math corrected, let's go over to the stove and get to cooking the product. Okay, now we have our wax cooking inside of here. Once again, make sure you get paraffin pillar wax 450, and you can get it from the Flaming Candle. And it's 250 grams. I just do it this way. It's a lot easy. This is what's easy for me until I get me another candle wax machine. So I just boil it in here. I'll add me some, I'm going to add some gold glitter, not gold glitter. I'm going to add some black glitter to the wax. And you want to warm it. You want to heat it up to 180 degrees. Heat it up to 180 degrees. And then I'll let it settle down to 170 degrees. Before I add my fragrance oil. Now let's go back to the table. I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Okay, we are back again. And I'm going to show you guys how you could decorate your lady mold candle. And right here we have the Mod Podge gloss, which will be used onto the lady mold candle for your gold foil, which is the Mink Heidi Swap gold foil. Okay, so what I would do here, this is just going to be an example for you guys, just to give you an idea. You go inside your Mod Podge, get you a nice little paintbrush from Home Depot. Don't have to be nothing fancy. And you could just easily put the glue on top of your lady mold candle where you want to put the gold foil. You're going to put some here. Nice and easy. Put down my brush. Come over here to my gold foil. Go in here, reach in, get me a nice piece that I want to use. I might even break it up some. Got a piece right here. Got one piece on it. Okay, unfortunately, due to some technical difficulties, I wasn't able to show you guys the entire process. But here you can see the lady mold candle with the gold foil on top. Came out great. Came out pretty good. Remember, we just used the Mod Podge and we used the Heidi Swap right here, where you could get from your local art store, or you can get it from Amazon as well. And that is pretty much the process here. Okay, now we are all done, and we have our lady mold with the gold foil. It came out great, came out awesome. And don't forget, your creativity has no limits. And with that being said, I'm Major from Ada's Dream. Make sure you do everything major. Oh, wait a minute. Had to blow out the candle. Safety first. All right, so we're going to tune in with you guys next time, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. We out.